temperate grassland. Temperate grassland. Yeah. Temperate grassland also very rich. There is a, I told you there that's it lies that's temperate grassland from 40-degree latitude to 65-degree latitude. 65 or 60? 45 to 60. 45-degree latitude to the 60-degree latitudes. Temperate grassland. And we already discussed about the grassland. It's favorable for the cattle rearing, which was northern hemispheres, and between 30 to 40-degree latitudes in the southern hemispheres. Yes, here, this temperate grassland 45 to 60 degree. Here, 45 to 60 degree. Where is? That is the 45 to 60 degree. Here that is the northern hemispheres. Yeah, but here that is about 30 to 40 degree. In the southern hemisphere, it is N. This is S. Picture? Now here, this is here found, and this is here. For your 30 degree to 40 degree, S 0. This is a 45 degree N to 60 degree N. Understand? For your in the south, here, Mediterranean grassland, temperate grassland that found in the north. What you find that's the 45 degree to 60 degree, whereas in the southern hemisphere that the 30 to 40 degree that will found. Right? We had in the previous lesson that's where it found that the places in the southern Russia, eastern part of Europe, southern plateau of the South Americas, central part of the North Americas. North America also that's a Paris grassland that found in the Mediterranean, temperate grassland. Paris in the central of the North Americas. And major location of this climate study wolf vegetation map in the 6.2 there is already given. So here, climate of here that's what's there is a very extreme climate is there. Extreme climate is what's very hot. It is very hot summer and very cold in winter. Summer very hot, winter very cold. And the summer temperature is 25 degree Celsius and the winter is 0 degree Celsius. If you talk about the climate of here, summer 25 is also the hot, it's not that it's a cold we can say. When the temperature falls below 20, then that's a cold. If they above 20, that is about 20, 21 is that moderate type. When that the 21 is across the 21, then that is a stand the warm, hot. When that is across the 25 and that is 26, 27, 20, 27, you know that is equatorial hot. When that's across 25, hot. Bishwanda mathi jana thale bhane to hot huncha. 30 to the extreme hot. 40 unbearable. हैन अहिले 40 पुग्यो भने पुरै पंखाले पनि काम गरे आउँदैन. हामीले 1 प्लस लाउने एप्सनै पर्दैन. हैन this is the temperature is at the 45 what's the 25 summer 25 winter is 0 degree. So it's a very cold and very hot. So summer 25 degrees Celsius, winter is 0 degrees Celsius. This you can measure. If the 25 and the 0, of course the temperature is very hot and very cold. Rainfall is also not that sufficient. There is a, it's a just well, you can say that's about because that the in this region that the far from this region is very far from the sea. It is not the coastal far. So there is a which occur the summer season. What's the rainfall is? Rainfall varies from 25 centimeter to 65 centimeters, which occur only in the summer seasons, not in the winters. And it snows lots in winter. 0 degrees is what's the when the temperature falls zero, start freezing. So the summer is winter is freezing. A snowfall is there. Vegetation of temperate grassland is here. Natural vegetation found in the interior of the continents, and due to lack of rain, there is no trees at all. Lack of rainfall, there is no tree at all. वो रुखा ही जाएगा. You can see the picture there is a bushes are there but no trees. If you see the let's go and serve the Paris of North America. Paris of North America, you will find the never the tree that the million acres of land there is no any trees there. होइन जतिमा हाम्रो बसोबास छैन त्यो भन्दा बढी उनीहरूले खेती गर्छ किनकि रुख छैन लामो लामो खेत हुन्छ मेसिनहरु छन् therefore they are raised नेचरले पनि दिया हुन्छ गिफ्ट नेचरले पनि उलाई गिफ्ट दिया people those who live in the hilly or live in that the moderate climates yes and they are surviving that the nature has given that facilities. Let's go in the mountain or the hilly sides. If you reach there, then you realizes that nature has given them, not to us. You will feel there. When you visit, that you will feel. And you are unlucky, never visit. Yes, never visit. It is a central part of North Americas, and that's called these are called Paris. And in Asia, Eastern Europe, steppes. Europe ko Asia ko Eastern ma Asia ma pani Asia and Europe that called the steppes. Whereas in Argentina it's called the Pampas. South Africa it's called the Veld. And Australia it's called the Downs. Yes, we must copy of the what's the highlight of this one for your easy. Paris. Yeah, Paris, Paris, R-I-E-S, Paris. Number one. Then after your STPs, STEPPES. Steppes, Veld, then after your Pampas, Pampas, P-A-M-P-A-S, Pampas, P-U-M or P-M? Pampas. And last one that is about Downs, D-O-W-N-S, Downs. These are the name of the grass in different countries. So in the book there is given, and you must underline or highlight it, and easy to find out of that also. Okay? Yeah. And there is a temperate grassland are quite useful in animals farming and wheat cultivation, wheat and maize. In the North America, 80 million acre of land, 80 million acre of land in America growing maize, मक्कै खेती 8 करोड कति बिघा ल्यान्डमा, and from one maize has to make the product of the more than 100 product. So our maize cost is the 27 rupees per kg, and their maize cost is the 100 rupees per kg. How can we become rich? Both are maize. मेजबाट उनीहरूले प्लास्टिक निकाल्छ मेजबाट पपकर्न भइहाल्यो क्रिम भइहाल्यो तेल भइहाल्यो के एक्सचे मोर देन 100 प्रोडक्ट्स एउटा मकैबाट निकाल्छ हामी के भन्छौँ मकै ढिँडो खाऊ यस मकै राइस maize that the fried त्यसको पपकर्न make the bread the flour of the maize other is nothing other is that they give the fodder to animals does it or not means out we don't think and we don't go ahead but they thought like that and therefore they have the lots of products similarly the wheat cornflakes के को बन्छ मकैको बन्छ गेहुँको बन्छ मिक्स हुन्छ त्यसमा यहाँ आएर हुन्छ ओट्स हुन्छ यहाँ आएर उसको 300-400 रुपियाँ किलो भइहाल्छ 500 रुपियाँ किलो हामी प्रोडक्ट गर्दैन इभन द्याट्स वान द बिस्किट्स गेहुँको र मकैको बिस्किट सबभन्दा महँगो हुन्छ त्यो के अरे एउटा म्यारी नो एउटा छ डाइजेस्टिभ बिस्कुट सबभन्दा महँगो हामी त्यता सोचेकै छैन हामी यति बुझ्यौँ मकैको ढिँडो खाने मकैको भर्नु फुटबल खाने मकैको त्यो खाने we only think like that once therefore we must think what the world is going on according to that we have also move it anyway animals damp grassland are famous for the cattle farmings and sheep goats and cattle horses and mules and asses etc are the cheap animals reared there and this is the more famous for sheep and cows sheep Australia cows North America Argentina you know Argentina is the highest meat exporting countries world's highest meat exporting country Argentina जति पनि त्यो गोरुको मासुले विश्वमा सबभन्दा बढी एक्सपोर्ट गर्ने देश चाहिँ अर्जेन्टिना हो other that is the St. Lawrence climate that found in the St. Lawrence and it is the 40 degree to 60 degree.